She is acutely conscious of her loss. She speaks of the shortness of human life because her mother is no more in the world, and she is feeling that the lack of a mother in her life. That's why she speaks of the shortness of human life against the permanence of the sea. Because this photograph has been taken on the seashore, and that's why there is a contrast between the human life and between the nature. That human life have short life, and the nature is permanent, perennial. It is continuous. So the finality of the death is stressed in the last stanza. लास्ट स्टेंजा में बताया गया है फाइनलिटी ऑफ डेथ एंड पर्टिकुलरली इन द लास्ट टू लाइंस क्लियर ओके लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द पोएम बेटा द कार्डबोर्ड शोज मी हाउ इट वाज द cardboard means the frame that has been meant for the photograph on which that photograph or that pic of her mother was pasted the cardboard जो कार्डबोर्ड लिया गया था जिस पर वो फोटोग्राफ पेस्ट है या फ्रेम्ड है शोज मी सो दैट फोटोग्राफ दैट कार्डबोर्ड शोज मी हाउ इट वाज मींस हाउ वाज दैट डे हाउ वाज दैट day when her mother was enjoying at the seashore with her cousins when the two girl cousins means her mother poetess mother was along with her two girl cousins. She was not alone at the seashore, but they were three. And they went paddling. Paddling क्या होता है बेटा? Paddling means play in water. At seashore, because no one can go so deep in the ocean or the sea, and that's why where there was a shallow water, they were just like paddling. As you paddle the bicycle, na, in the same way they were enjoying in their own way, and they were paddling in the water, just enjoying in their own way as they feel it comfortable. Each one holding one of my mother's hand and her cousin, two girl cousin. So those two girl cousin both were each one of them is holding the hand of poetess mother. It means she was the elder one and the both were younger one. That's why from one side her one cousin was holding her hand, on the other side her next another cousin was holding her hand. And see the big girl and see the big girl, she for whom she is used here for the poetess mother. The big girl, it means she was an elder among all of three. Among all of three. So her mother was big one, or you can say elder one, some 12 years or so. And she was grown up, but what was her actual age at that time? Dash has been given here. It means she was just observing. She is not sure that what was the age of her mother at that time when this pic has been taken. Some 12 years or so. Maybe she was at that time 12 years or so. Or so means 13 भी हो सकता है, 14 भी हो सकता है, 11 भी हो सकता है. Clear? All three stood still, and all those three girls were standing there still motionless. Without any motion, they were standing to smile and giving smile through their hair as they were standing at the seashore. So, normally it happens that on the seashore there is good air or blowing of air, that because of that their hair were on their faces, their hair covered on their face. Clear? All at the uncle, and they were smiling and they're looking at the uncle, means they were with the uncle, maybe her cousin's father होगा, वो उन जो कि कजन के साथ गई हैं, तो अंकल हैं विद द कैमरा हु इज टेकिंग देयर फोटोग्राफ, तो वो अंकल की तरफ देख रही हैं. ऑल थ्री स्टूड स्टिल मींस दे वर जस्ट एज वी try to give the pose of any pic or the picture, we also stand still. In the same way, they were also standing still, and they are giving the smile in the pose of smile through their hair. And because of the air that was blowing there on the seashore, because of that air and the wind, their hair came on their face and covered their face, but they were faces were not covered properly, means their smile can be seen through their hair. At the uncle, and they were looking at the uncle with whom the camera, means the uncle who was having a camera for taking that pic or that photograph. A sweet face. Now Charlotte Olsen is telling about and giving a description about the face, that her mother's face was very sweet at that time because she was burdened with the innocence and the childhood. That's why she was looking very cute, very sweet, and has the innocence on her face. My mother's means a sweet face. Whose sweet face was there? My mother's. That sweet face was of my mother. That was before I was born, and that innocence, that sweetness was prevailed on her face when I before I was born. जब मेरे जन्म लेने से पहले, means at that time she was unmarried, she does not have any kind of responsibility, any kind of burden which normally make the human being. What are you saying, Payal? Payal, you are messaging. What happened? Any problem is there? Tanu ma'am, Payal, unmute yourself and tell me. Tell me, Payal. Hmm. Fifth wali line. Add the which one? One, two, three, four. All three stood still to smile through the air. This one. Okay, add the uncle with the camera. It means those three girls were smiling and looking at uncle who is having camera. They are because the uncle, any uncle was there. Maybe that was photographer or maybe their real uncle, and who have the camera for taking their photograph. और normally क्या होता है कि जब हम फोटोग्राफ कोई ले रहा होता है तो हम उसकी तरफ देखते हैं, कैमरे की तरफ देखते हैं, ठीक है। तो it means they all were standing still, motionless, without any movement, and they were smiling through their hair because their hair were there on their faces due to the air, and all those three were looking at uncle because he was having camera. For the accurate pose they were looking at the uncle, or you can say at the camera. Okay, and a sweet face, and there was a sweet face, and whose face was it? My mother's. Clearly it has been it has been described on the in the next line. My mother's, a sweet face of my mother's, that was before, but that sweetness was before I was born. My mother was very sweet when she was in the young age, because she was free from the burden and the responsibilities or the bitter truth of life. That's why she is saying that she was sweet and innocent at that age when that pic has been taken. And that pic has been taken means when I was not born. क्योंकि before I was born, क्योंकि जब तक she was unmarried, and Charlotte Olsen has not taken birth. At that time, her mother's face was sweet, and she was burdened with innocence, loaded with innocence. Clear? And the sea. Now, this was the description of her mother, that her mother was having innocence and the cute or the sweetness on her face, and the sea, which appears to have changed less. But here, you have to understood there is the hidden message in these two lines, and which is that and the sea means nature. Clear? Which appears to have changed less, means according to the passage of time there is a lot of changing on the faces of humans. Okay, but nature remains same, almost same. There is not such change as it happens with the human being. If the anyone is in his or her childhood, there is completely innocence and the sweetness on the face, but as the time pass on and they grow into the maturity, or they become adult one, their physical appearance changes, and then as they grow more older, then again there are the physically change, many changes in the on the human body. But How many years has been passed, but the sea was the same. At that time, when her mother was there on the seashore, but sea is still appears to have changed less. लेकिन उसमें अभी भी कोई खास चेंज नहीं दिखाई देते. It changed less. This shows that nature is permanent, but the human life always undergo the changes. Washed their terribly transient feet. Here she is describing about the sea, that there is no slight change in the sea, and that sea is washing their terribly transient feet. Terribly, it means this is the terrible truth of human life, that it is momentary, it is temporary. Okay, it is momentary, and transient means momentary, only for some time, and feet. Now, what she want to convey the message here, that nature is perennial, it is continuous, it is permanent, but the human beings are short-lived. Clear? As their terribly transient fate, this is the bitter truth of the life, that they were standing there for that peak, but as the any wave will come there, or any blow of air will come, their transient, their temporary feet, which they left their imprint on the sand, definitely within the few minutes they will washed away, चेंज हो जाते हैं. ठीक है. इन द सेम वे ह्यूमन लाइफ इज ऑल्सो शॉर्ट एंड टेम्परेरी, लाइक द ट्रांजिएंट फीट. टेम्परेरी, ट्रांजिएंट का बेटा मीनिंग होता है टेम्परेरी, शॉर्ट लिव्ड. ठीक है, टेम्परेरी या शॉर्ट लिव्ड. तो ट्रांजिएंट फीट क्यों कहा गया है? बिकॉज दोज फीट्स वर इनोसेंट, वेरी स्मॉल, because her mother was at the younger age at that time. She has the little feet, and those little feet have leave their imprint on the sand at seashore, but within few minutes those imprint have been deleted by or washed away by the waves. In the same way, the the nature or the sea is unchanged, it is less changed, but human life is short lived, and after a span of time it loses its existence. क्लियर? कि ह्यूमन लाइफ शॉर्ट लिव्ड है, और नेचर जो है वो परमानेंट है. जैसे उस टाइम पर जब वो पिक ली गई थी, तो सी वॉज वॉशिंग देयर टेरिबली, और द टेरिबली टेरिबली क्यों वर्ड यूज किया है? बिकॉज इट इज द बिटर ट्रूथ, इसीलिए वर्ड यूज किया गया है टेरिबली. इट इज द बिटर ट्रूथ दैट ट्रांजिएंट फीट, दैट फीट वर ट्रांजिएंट. ट्रांजिएंट मीन्स टेम्परेरी. जो उस टाइम पर इनोसेंट वाले जो फीट थे वो ट्रांजिएंट थे. मीन्स एट दैट टाइम दे वर वेरी स्मॉल, but after some time they will grown a little bit more size. तो ऐसे ही ह्यूमन बीइंग में चेंजेस आते रहते हैं, उनकी फिजिकल अपीयरेंस में चेंजेस आते रहते हैं. एंड द लास्ट ट्रूथ इज दिस, दैट ह्यूमन हैव शॉर्ट लाइफ और द टेम्परेरी लाइफ ऑन दिस earth, but nature is perennial. Clear? Next one is, if there is any doubt you may ask, otherwise I am moving to the next stanza. Some 20-30 years later, and what happened when this picture has been taken? After that time, it may be 20 years later, it may be 30 years later, she would laugh at the snapshot. Snapshot means picture. Means in the second stanza, she is describing about her mother, that one time they both were sitting, maybe they both were sitting in the room, and her mother was looking at her snapshot, at her picture. And it was the time, maybe 20 years later, maybe 30 years later, she was not sure that how much years before she was talking about like this one. She would laugh, वो अपनी ही पिक को, अपनी उसकी मदर जो है वो अपनी ही पिक को देखकर हंस रही थी at the snapshot, and she was addressing her daughter, means poetess. उसको poetess को address करके कह रही थी, see Betty and Dolly, these were the name of her cousin, Betty and Dolly, those cousin. Okay, Betty and Dolly were the name of her cousin. So when she was looking at her photograph, which was taken in her childhood at when they were spending their holiday on the seashore, or enjoying their childhood or their holiday. So when the both mother and daughter was someday they were sitting in their room, and she was looking at that photograph and telling to her daughter that, see Betty and Dolly, शी वुड से, उन्होंने कहा था कि देखो बेटी और डॉली को, एंड लुक हाउ दे ड्रेस्ड अस फॉर द बीच, एंड लुक when she is telling us about the dress of that time, because it is the normal custom that time to time we change all our fashion also of the dresses का भी fashion change हो जाता है ना. So she was saying that look how they dressed us for the beach, means for enjoying at the beach how we dressed ourselves. So those dresses were looking old to her because those were those dresses were of that earlier time. The sea holiday was her past, and now this is the irony of time. This is the irony of time and the writer, that the sea holiday was her past. ये जो फोटोग्राफ है और वो जो सी हॉलीडे था, when they were enjoying themselves or at enjoying their childhood without any burden, without any responsibility, that was the past of her. Of her means that was the past of my mother, but mine is her laughter. लेकिन मेरा पास्ट क्या है कि जब वो उस फोटोग्राफ को देखकर हंस रही थी, मेरे साथ कन्वर्जेशन कर रही थी कि बेटी और डॉली को देखो और हमने कैसे ड्रेसअप किया अपने आप को उस दिन, तो ये जो उस टाइम पे ये जो सारे बातें करते हुए वो जो हंस रही थी, so this was the past of mine. Mine means Charlotte Olsen, poetess. So here two pasts have been contrasted. One past has been shown of her mother when she was in her childhood and enjoying her holiday at the sea shore or sea beach, and now the poetess is thinking that but my past has become her laughter because her mother is no more in the world. That's why it has become her past, her laughter. Both worry, both rai. Okay, so both rai means beta opposite, inverse. Both right. So both are opposite in the nature. With the labored ease, labored means artificial, unnatural, and ease means comfort of loss. So this is the bitter truth of life, that both means mother and daughter, they both were suffering from the pain because her mother has lost her childhood. So this was the cause of her pain, but the poetess has lost her mother. This is the pain or this is the suffering of the poetess. So both rai means opposite, both were opposite because she was recalling her childhood, but poetess was recalling her mother. So both were opposite in nature, both were trying to recall the event or that incident with the labored ease. Labored means those artificial, because photograph is now looking for artificial, unnatural, and the death which has taken place in her life in poetess mother, but those both were suffering from the loss and they have to admit this fact that yes, we are at the loss. This is the bitter truth, that they both were at the loss. Her mother lost her childhood, her freedom, her innocence, and Charlotte Olsen lost her mother. So both have, this was the truth of life, that they have to accept their loss with comfort. It was labored, it was unnatural, but it's okay, it happens, then that's why they need to admit it. Clear? Now she had been dead, और अब उसकी मदर को मरे हुए कितने दिन हो गए हैं? Nearly as many years as that girl lived. That girl, listen, that girl, कितने साल हो चुके हैं उसकी मदर को मरे हुए? इतना ही टाइम जितने साल वो लड़की जिंदा रही. That girl, not the woman. ओके इस चीज को आप यहाँ से ये देखना, दैट गर्ल लिव्ड, वो लड़की, और वो लड़की की इसने क्या कहाँ तक डिस्क्राइब की? एज 12 years, मीन्स when this photograph has been taken at that time her age was 12 years or so. It means her mother had been dead almost 12 years ago. इतने ही साल मरे हुए हो गए जितने वो लड़की, जब वो उसकी मदर एक लड़की थी. अदरवाइज बाद में जब उसकी मैरिज हो गई तो वो क्या बन गई? एक लेडी बन गई. क्लियर? एंड ऑल ऑफ दिस सर्कमस्टेंसेस देयर इज नथिंग टू से. शी इज बर्डन्ड विद द पेन and the pain of loss, and that's why uh, she's not feeling comfortable to say anything at this moment because of the pain and suffering and the loss she bared at that time. That's why she's saying that this is the circumstances which arouse in my life. Okay, and there is nothing to say at all, so I have not any kind of word to say about these circumstances, why it happens. Clear? It's silence. Silences means death is that inevitable part of the human life that it is necessary, it is mandatory, it comes, and its silences silence को भी silence कर देता है. There is nothing to say. Clear? If any doubt is there, any line is not clear, beta, you may ask now, because I think 4 minutes are left, and today you need to read this poem. And if any query, any line, any word is not clear, so you may call me, otherwise tomorrow you may ask your queries. Okay, now you have time. Read it. Any line is not clear, अब भी पूछ लो आप. सभी